Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm on the daily upload grind. I was gonna do the 3 days a week, but hell no, I'm not gonna be doing that. I love doing YouTube every single day. It has become a huge passion for me, and I know you guys love content, free content every single day. So not everything's gonna be teaching you stuff like that. If you can tell by the title of the video, obviously, if you guys don't know, I just moved into my new apartment. I used to be in Tucson, Arizona. Now I currently reside in Tempe, Arizona. So I'm pretty excited. I just finished setting up the new apartment. As you can tell, like, this is kind of my setup for now. This will probably be what it is for a while, but I'm going to be planning on getting 2 soft boxes, maybe a green screen in the back, have some fun. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing yet, but once I start to get some capital to be able to invest and stuff like that, because I do want to invest in this channel more. And you guys can help me out with that if you buy the phone flipping starter pack. Definitely appreciate it. All that money goes back to creating content, new pictures, new cameras, new lighting on this YouTube channel. So just know I'm not going pocketing that, just going to eat Chipotle. I reinvest in myself. But enough of that. Obviously, if you guys are here, you want to see like exactly what phone flipping can do for you. And I'm not saying I am some very successful phone flipper. There's many thousands of better people out there, but I think I'm the best at least teaching and giving out free info. But that's just personal opinion, and I obviously, again, I do give it out all for free because I want to help you guys give back to the community and just truly share my passion. So again, I moved to my new apartment, and I decided to go with an apartment that's a little bit more on the expensive side. A lot of you might say it's pretty cheap, but in Arizona, for me at least, moving up from a college apartment, this was kind of expensive. I decided to take a leap of faith, so I ended up getting a studio apartment. It's 800 square feet, and the point of this video isn't to show you like what I have and like the kind of apartment. As I said, it's not luxury or anything like that. It gets me like where I need to be, and it's pretty centrally located for me to buy as many phones as possible. But with that said, the point of this video is to really just show you guys that, I bought all of this with my phone flipping money and what I have earned over the past year. And I've been doing it close to a year now, not so consistently in the beginning, but I'd say for the past 2-3 months, I've been going at it like no tomorrow, treating it like a full-time job, knowing that I get to this stage where I have my own apartment, I pay my own bills, and now I just go and like every single day put up ads, try to find people that buy phones, find connections, and eventually just start killing it in the business. So again, if you guys aren't in phone flipping, if you guys don't know what it is, basically just buying and reselling Apple iPhones. You can also tap into like Apple Watches, iPads. You can tap into like Galaxy phones, Androids, whatever it may be. Some people repair phones. There's a lot you can do with it, and to be honest, there's so much money to be made in the industry. A lot of people are saying, oh Kish, you're saturating the market by releasing these videos. Oh Kish, like, why are you giving this information away free? There's going to be so much competition. Well, one, competition means that there's money being made, and that means you're not making that money because you're too scared to go out there and make the money that these other big dogs are doing. And 2, it's just really like, you really need to go attack it, and it's just so easy to do this. Like, yeah, there's a kind of like this base knowledge you need to know, and again, if you watch my videos, I give all this information away for free. There are some advanced techniques that I might release in like a course in the future, but it's definitely something that if you guys aren't doing it and you want some extra side cash, literally you can do this as an all cash business. Like literally, it's so easy to do. You need to know that base knowledge, but once you start doing 5-10 phones, which you'll probably do in your first month, honestly, I've seen people go from 0 to 5K in just a month or two. Like, it's not that hard, and that is in sales. You should be making off of 5K about half of that, so between 2 to probably 3K. Somebody's making profit on that. So if you're looking to pay rent, like if your apartment is $1,000 per month, if you make $200 on a phone, that's 5 phones. If you make $100 a profit on a phone, you literally only have to do 10 phones. It's 30 days. Like, you can almost do it. You practically can do it every other day to every 2 days in the month. So it's not that hard. Just if you're like that, and you just have to look for deals that you know are secure, like there's no locks on it, just like maybe like an iPhone 6 for $60, flip it for $160, $200, there's $100 to $150 profit. It's so easy, but I know I'm rambling on this video, but I just wanted to create this to show you guys that like I'm actually doing this. I am a living, breathing kind of human that is making money off of this, making decent money in my opinion. I know it might not be for a lot of you, but I'm basically showing you the apartment to show what phone flipping money can get you. So with that said, I bought a new camera, so I'm going to be having a little fun, doing a little cinematic, showing you around my apartment. I'm not going to be doing it as a vlog series, but again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it to this part of it, definitely stick around. Probably not going to be good editing skills, but who cares? I love what I do, and I want to show you guys around my apartment. So with that said, let's check it out.
It can drive me to your heart. It can drive me to your heart. It can drive me to your heart. It can drive me to your heart.